Hi, I'm Alec. This is first tutorial on Song Design Assist. And Strumming. And chords in the verses: A minor, F, C, and again C. So da 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 and again. And chorus. And chords in the chorus: F, C, this is C, and G. So da 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 G. And instrument part. And next verse. And if you have a capo, you can play here D minor, A sharp, F, and again F. This is so okay. Verse. Da 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 and chorus, and chords in the chorus: A sharp, F, F, and C. So nobody sees the season, and F da 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 again. Da 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 and C, C, and again chorus. Sorry, and again verses. So it's all. Thank you for watching. Please like or dislike as you wish, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Good luck.